I'm Jalise, that's Jelise. Come get to know me. Come get to know me. Yeah. So, I didn't feel like doing a retwist this week. And I wanted the front of my hair to still be polished. So, this is the hairstyle I came up with. I essentially did two-strand twists. Those are flat twists, not two-strand twists. Here in the front, so, well, 4 altogether, but 2 on each sides. And yeah, it came out real cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is my first time ever doing this hairstyle too. This is what my hair looks like. This is the back. My hair has gotten so freaking long. I'd be so flabbergasted every time I do my hair. Hi again. Right now I'm just showing you the length of my hair. It's really dry. I had washed it a day or 2 before and didn't put moisturizer in it. Oopsies. So I'm just getting to it today. Actually, it doesn't look bad like this. I might start rocking it without a retwist. It looks cute. I just gotta wear something on top of my head. Anyways, as far as moisturizer, here I have oil, argan oil. I have never used that oil in my life in my hair. That's my first time because I have it right now. Don't like it, hate it. The moisturizer that we see here is Monaco Honey Shea Butter, Shea Moisture, oopsies, and water. I boil it up and I put it in a spray bottle. And I'm just putting it all over my hair, trying to get all my roots, the length of my hair, everything. Same thing for the oil. Exactly what I just did with the moisturizer. Look at this. I have so much loose hair at my roots. Alright, now we get to splitting. So I'm basically just splitting my hair as if I'm doing a half up, half down. Trying to get that even there. It looks pretty good to me, so I'm tying up the back of my head. And it looks so funny when I finish tying it. Watch, watch. All right, and now I'm just trying to part it as straight as possible. I never cared for a super straight part, to be very honest with you. And now we just putting away the rest of the hair that I'm not dealing with. I'm gonna end up doing 4 altogether, so I'm just putting away half of the hair and leaving the ones that I'm about to do, which is essentially 2 rows each. And now I'm just parting it again. Okay, I have the lock-in gel. I hate it. I wanted a different one, but I haven't had the chance to. So you see this thing up here, this little map, right? I have this set up so I could show you how to do a flat twist. So we have Lisa at the bottom, Jerry at the top. Jerry and Lisa about to hug, so that means Jerry's about to go to the bottom. Now Lisa is on top and she's about to hug Tom, which means to twist, right? So look. Lisa and Tom, boop, they just hugged. Or they just touched. Now they're hugging, they're turning, and now they're all about to hit Jenna, right? So now Jenna is all the way at the top and she's about to go hug Henry. Oh wait, I don't have enough hair for this one. I do have enough for the second one though. Watch, watch, watch. Ooh, ow, nice. So here we go again, guys. Here we go again. Ready? Jerry's at the top, Lisa's at the bottom. They about to hug, which means a twist. Boom. Oh, I'm too early. So now look, boom, Lisa's at the top, and now Lisa is about to touch Tom and they're about to hug, which means to twist, which means that they're all about to turn and then hug Jenna. Make sense? Make sense? Look, now this is Jenna. Okay, now they're twisting all together, and we've got Henry next. Look, that's me grabbing Henry. And now Jenna and Henry are touching, hugging. And now they're gonna hug Nia and then Leo. They're gonna go up to the corner and hug Leo. Does that make sense? Please tell me that makes sense, because I had so much fun doing that. And now I'm just tying them up with the black rubber bands. I always use 3 at a time because, gosh, I have thickums hair. And I also put oil before tying it up just to prevent it from, you know, taking my hair out. Ow, look at me, ow, ow. And then I did the other side off camera. So just repeat that until you get the hang of it. OMG, side note, my mascara always transfers to my eyelids. What do? Tell me, please. I always tie the smallest lock around the ponytail just to make it look nice. I'm letting go of the hair in the back now. Ooh, look at them roots, no retwist. It's been a little minute, no lie. And this is pretty much the hairstyle. It came out so good. I definitely see myself doing this throughout the year. And I definitely want to try it with some curly locks. So that's just going to give it more life. Woo! In a moment, I'm going to show you an up close and personal of how the front looks. But yeah, this is pretty much everything. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. Let's get me to 1,000, please. Later!